Hey everybody, welcome back. If you want to enable the regional pricing in your Roblox and you are wondering how to do so, especially for creators, you may follow up this process and you should be able to do it. Go to your browser and you can go to roblox.com, type in roblox.com and hit enter, and you can go to your creator hub. Go to creator hub, click on create, and that should open up your creator hub right there. Now within here, you can look out for your creations option on your left-hand side and select it. And once you go to creations, you may go over to your experience or game that you've created. Select it up. And once you select up your case experience right here, you can go to the monetization section and go to the passes section here. After you go to passes here, you will be finding 3-dot menu for each of the passes right here. You can select this 3-dot option right here. And you need to enable the regional pricing. So right now mine is disabled. Let's say this is the disabled. Now if you want to enable it, you just need to go ahead and click on 3-dot, select the option of enable regional pricing instead, and that will enable it. And after you do, Roblox will automatically show the adjusted prices per region based on the default price. You can save up your changes directly. It should automatically be saved, and that's it. So you can follow this process to do so pretty quick and easy. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.